In this video, I'm going to introduce to you the concept of the maybe audiences and explain to you a bit about what they are and what do they mean for you. So when you first arrive on your maybe dashboard, you will notice that you have a blue box over on the right hand side, which talks about building your audience. Now, what this means basically is when you connect your ads manager, your Facebook ads manager to Maybe will automatically start to build, maintain, populate, and update Facebook custom audiences about your business for you within your Facebook Ads Manager. So what does that mean? It means that we are automatically looking at the users who are engaging with your Facebook page or your Instagram profile. They may not be individuals who are currently actually following you. They may not have actually liked any of your content, but they may have swiped through your content. They may have commented on your content, or they may have watched a video, for example. All of those individuals we are automatically collecting for you and adding into what we call maybe audiences that we place inside your Facebook Ads Manager. And this is all done automatically and behind the scenes once you connect your Ads Manager to the Maybe platform. I will now take you into Facebook Ads Manager so you can see an example of how those audiences look once they've been placed in there by Maybe. So in order to start the process, you actually just need to simply connect your ad account. Let's just jump across into the Facebook Ads Manager. If you're not familiar with this, we do have other videos covering this topic. So this is the audience area within Facebook, and you will see here that we have a number of audiences that have been created. Now, Maybe automatically creates 4 different core audiences for you, and those are your Maybe Facebook engaged audience and your Maybe Instagram engaged audience, as you can see here. Now, these audiences are based on individuals who have already, like I just said, engaged with your content on your Facebook page or your Instagram profile. They are being constantly updated for you. So the more posting that you do, the more engagement you get, the more individuals are going to end up in that audience. What Maybe is also doing is creating you what's called a lookalike audience based on that original audience. So this is when Facebook looks at who already likes your content and looks to find more people who are similar to those individuals. So these are individuals who have never seen your content, and they are a great audience to use for prospecting for new customers. And Maybe takes the kind of the hassle out of that process for you by automatically creating, maintaining, and updating a lookalike audience for you as well. So you will find that you have lookalike audiences against your Facebook Engage and a lookalike audience against your Instagram Engage. Now, if you're also a user of our loyalty program within the Maybe platform, we will also create you a Maybe local rewards customers audience, which is basically anybody who has made a transaction within your business that is a member of the loyalty scheme. Their details will be being passed into Facebook as well. And we also create you a lookalike of that audience as well, which means you have a whole raft of audiences that you can go away and use for ad targeting. I'll be covering more information around how to go about using these audiences in more advanced videos. This is for an overview to see what we mean when we talk about Maybe audiences. It is the creation and maintaining of some Facebook custom audiences within your ads manager. How does this then look once it is switched on in your Maybe account? As you can see here, that blue box has now gone and you have audience building is on, as indicated here on the toggle saying on. If for any reason you do get yourself in a bit of if you do get stuck at any point, you can use the little blue intercom chat icon found in the bottom right hand corner of our site and drop us any message there, and we will get in touch with you and help resolve your issues. I hope you found that useful, and thank you for watching.